very first thing I'm going to go to is go to social.premiermove.com. And you can see here, there is a drop down for social media content. You're going to choose your month, so December. And this is where you can access everything. So if you just want to bulk download and access everything, you can click here. And that's going to pull the Google Drive folder. And then you can see the content calendar. So this is what it looks like. For each day, you can see it gives you a date, a caption, a copy and paste, hashtags, and then to see the content, you can just click under the content tab. You can see here, and so on and so forth. If you wanted to just schedule all your posts out in advance, you can do that. If you want to just download everything for the entire month, you can click download in Google Drive. But just for an example, say that I wanted to go ahead and follow the calendar for today. So today's Wednesday, December 17th. So I'm going to click on the content for that day, download it, and then I'm going to copy the caption and say I want to go ahead and post it. Now I would just open my Facebook. And if you want to post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time, you'll just click Meta Business Suite. I'm going to create a post. I can paste the caption. And then, of course, I just downloaded the photos that go with it. And because it was a carousel with multiple images, it saved it as a zip file. It's going to add the photos. And of course, here they are. And then for my hashtags, go back to the content calendar and click copy, paste. And of course, if you wanted to edit the caption, you can do so here, and so on and so forth. If you wanted to schedule this out as well as the rest of the month, you can click here to set a day and the time. And say you want it to be scheduled for 5 o'clock. That is how you schedule things.